Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact artifacts that will form the COA: the trained model file, training manifest, environment spec, and data snapshot. Once done, assign a unique model ID and record hyperparameters and random seed so results are reproducible. Make sure to push these files to immutable artifact storage and tag the commit. This early precision prevents provenance gaps later and lets you prove how the model was produced when issuing the certificate of authenticity. Next, compute your final evaluation metrics and capture the exact evaluation dataset checksum and run timestamp. Export a provenance document that links the model ID to the dataset checksum, training command, environment image, and git commit. Once created, create cryptographic evidence. Generate a hash of the model bundle and sign it with your private key or automated CI key. This step establishes verifiable tamper evidence, so others can independently check authenticity and integrity. Finally, assemble the certificate of authenticity, a human-readable summary plus the signed provenance and evaluation metrics, then publish it alongside the model in your registry. Make sure to include the public key and a short verification command so users can validate the signature and checksums. Once published, monitor the registry for unauthorized changes, and if signature keys are ever compromised, revoke and rotate keys quickly. If verification fails, rerun hashing and signing to identify mismatched artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.